Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to read chapter number 3rd B, which is a poem Macavity the Mystery Cat, and the poet is T.S. Eliot. So, students, let's begin. Now, see, Macavity is a mystery cat. एक रहस्यमयी कैट है और बहुत वो बदमाशी करता है, नॉटीनेस करता है. तो let's read the poem. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? तो क्या आपके पास कोई पेट कैट है? आपने क्या कोई अपने घर पे कैट पाल रखा है और आपने क्या उसका कभी कोई मिस्टीरियस एक्टिविटी नोटिस किया है? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is a one. So every cat cannot be a mysterious cat, but this cat which you can see in this picture is a mysterious one. So what is that? Which makes him a perfect mystery cat. So what are the things what makes this cat a mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. So let's find out. Now see. Macavity, a mystery cat. So Macavity is the name of the cat, and what is the meaning of mystery? That mystery means rahasya in Hindi, and mystery actually means what this cat does. Macavity, no one knows about him. He is called the hidden paw. तो वो हिडन पॉ बोला जाता है. हिडन पॉ मतलब पॉ मीन्स पंजा, जो उनके पैर में जो नाखून होते हैं बड़े बड़े, उसको पंजा बोला जाता है. तो वो एक छुपा हुआ पंजा टाइप का है. हु? मैकाविटी. फॉर ही इज द मास्टर क्रिमिनल हु कैन डिफाई द लॉ. तो वो एक मास्टर क्रिमिनल है, मतलब एक अपराधी है. एंड वॉट एवर लॉज आर मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, मेड बाय द पुलिस, दिस मैकाविटी, दिस कैट, ही डिसोबेज ऑल द रूल्स. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. तो bafflement का मतलब सारी परेशानी. किसका सारा परेशानी है ये कैट? Scotland Yard का. Now what is a Scotland Yard? That means the headquarters of the London police force. So he makes so much problem for the London police force that they cannot find out anything what he is doing. The flying squad's despair. तो जो फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड है उसका भी ये दुख का कारण है. नाउ व्हाट इज अ फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड? दैट मीन्स दीज आर ग्रुप ऑफ पुलिस हु आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू टेक एक्शन एंड टू विजिट दैट प्लेस वेयर सम क्राइम हैज टेकन प्लेस. सो दिस कैट, दिस मैकाविटी इज a problem to Scotland Yard and even sadness to flying squadron. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So whenever any crime takes place at a certain place, when the police reaches there, they never finds Macavity and they cannot understand who has done the crime. Okay, Macavity, there's no one Macavity. तो सब कहते हैं कि मैकाविटी ने किया है, बट कहीं भी अगर क्राइम होता है मैकाविटी तो कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So whatever human law is made, that means laws of the constitution, laws of the police, laws of the country. So Macavity has broken all the laws, and he has broken the law of gravity. Now see, what is the meaning of law of gravity? Whatever things आप उछालोगे आसमान में, what will happen? It will come back to the ground. जमीन में आके वो गिरेगा. So this law of gravity also Macavity has broken. Now see the next line, students. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. So what is the meaning of powers of levitation? कैपेसिटी टू फ्लाई इन एयर. तो उसकी जो कैपेसिटी है, जो जिससे वो हवा में उड़ सकता है. जो फकीर होते हैं, फकीर मीन्स बाबा टाइप, जिनके पास थोड़े बहुत पावर होता है, तो वो मैकाविटी के इस एक्शन से वो भी उसको घूरते हैं कि आखिरकार कौन है वो. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू रीच द सीन ऑफ क्राइम, मैकाविटी इज नॉट देयर. सो इफ यू रीच द सीन ऑफ क्राइम, दैट हु हैज डन दिस, यू विल नेवर फाइंड दिस कैट देयर. ओके, You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. So you can see him underground also, in the air also. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. But you will never find Macavity at the place of crime. You will keep on searching Macavity, but he will not be there. He is such a clever cat. Macavity is a ginger cat. You know, ginger cat means the color of ginger, very light brown. Macavity's color is like a ginger. He is very tall, as you can see in the picture, and thin, patla bhi hai. You would know him if you saw him. So you will know him if you see him. For his eyes are sunken in. Sunken means धंसी सी है. देखो, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सोचता रहता है, आंखें धंसी हुई हैं. His brow is deeply lined with thought. Brow means this. ऐसे उठा हुआ है. देखो, मतलब इसको देख के लगता है कि ये ऑलवेज ही थिंक्स अबाउट समथिंग. कुछ ना कुछ इसके दिमाग में चलता रहता है. एंड हेड इज हाईली डोम. डोम मतलब ऐसे जो ऊंचा सा शेप होता है, इसका हेड भी ऊंचा सा है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Coat are very dirty. Whiskers means इसकी जो मूंछें हैं वो भी uncombed हैं. He sways his head from side to side. अपने सर को दाएं से बाएं, बाएं से दाएं हिलाता है. With movements like a snake. He does movements like a snake. Okay. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And if you see that he is half asleep, if you think he is sleeping, but he never sleeps, he is always half awake. आधा हमेशा ये जगते रहता है. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. So सब कहते हैं Macavity ने किया, Macavity ने किया, but whenever anything happens, any crime happens, nobody can find out Macavity. So where is Macavity? There is no Macavity. For he is a fiend in feline shape. So he is a cat. A monster, एक राक्षस है. Of depravity, moral corruption. मर्डरर है एक तरह का, इतने सारे क्राइम कमिट करता है. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. So you can see him anywhere. But when a crime is discovered, whenever any crime is found by the police officers, then Macavity is never there. So students, let me tell you the rhyming scheme of the poem. So let's see in the first paragraph. See, paw, I'm making it A. Now see, paw and law are same sound words. So this will also be A, because if the words are of same sounding, we will not give different letters. So A, despair, there. So these are also same. So this is also B, B. So what is the rhyming scheme? A, B, B. Okay. Thank you.